Today, one of the defendants in the murder trial faced a tough cross-examination from prosecutors. The court is now gearing up for closing arguments. And Fox 5's Eric Perry joins us at the live desk with more. And Eric, when can we expect those arguments to begin?
Yeah, the jury was actually dismissed for the day. They are expected back Monday morning at 9 a.m. for closing arguments. This comes after nearly 2 weeks of testimony from both sides as they try to prove to the jury who is responsible for Arbery's death.
Your Honor, on behalf of Travis McMichael, we rest.
Thursday, all three legal teams for the men charged in the February 2020 killing of Ahmaud Arbery rested their case before the jury.
So what were you nervous about?
I just killed a man. I had blood on me still. It was the most traumatic event of my life.
This comes after a second day of testimony from one of the three men accused as the state got a chance to cross-examine Travis McMichael.
You'd agree with me when I say that you never, ever told the Glenn County Police Department or in your written statement that you said to Mr. Arbery, the police are coming.
I don't know if I did or not. If it's not on there, then I didn't say it.
So you want this jury to believe that it's Mr. Arbery who's the aggressor with the black truck, not that the black truck's the one trying to run him off the road to help you.
I didn't see the truck trying to run him off the road. What I saw from down there, what I saw was the vehicle looked to be at a stop and Mr. Arbery was engaging the vehicle.
The state worked to debunk the theory that Ahmaud Arbery was the aggressor.
You could have just continued to drive behind Mr. Arbery and not even speak to him or confront him at all. Isn't that true?
I could have, yes.
It's been a pleasant place to live all those years.
The defense also called residents of the Satilla Shores neighborhood who backed up the defendant's claims of crime in the area.
I remember speaking to an officer and he said that they were looking for a young black male that had been on, and he didn't tell me whose property, but pointed at the house under construction.
And that house under construction is Larry English's house, which we saw throughout the trial use surveillance cameras capturing someone roaming around. Travis McMichael is the only one of the defendants who took the stand in the trial. So here's what happens now. Lawyers and the judge will meet in the morning at 10 o'clock for what's called a charge conference as they get ready for those closing arguments. We do know that closing arguments are set to begin Monday morning at 9. No word how long that could last. At the live desk, I'm Eric Perry, Fox 5 News.